Some tool sets promise versatility, but few combine organization, precision, and long-term reliability in a way that actually simplifies your work. Occasionally, a set stands out quietly, earning trust from professionals and hobbyists alike. That is the case with the Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set with the 3-drawer Versastack box. Welcome to Buy with Confidence, the channel dedicated to thoughtful, unbiased reviews of products you can rely on. Today, we're examining this all-in-one mechanics toolkit designed for both automotive enthusiasts and professional mechanics. It includes SAE and metric sockets, combination wrenches, hex keys, specialty bits, and more, all housed in a flexible, durable 3-drawer Versastack storage system. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that covers car, motorcycle, and general repair tasks without clutter, this review will help you determine whether it meets your needs. You can find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. The Craftsman 262-piece set is designed for individuals who value organized, accessible, and versatile tools. It's for weekend mechanics, DIYers, and professional technicians who need a reliable, space-efficient solution. Rather than requiring multiple separate purchases, it centralizes essential tools while supporting a clean, structured workspace. Its importance lies not only in quantity, but in thoughtful design that enhances performance and efficiency over time. Reason number 1. Extensive all-in-one coverage. This set includes 118 sockets, 3 ratchets, 24 wrenches, 44 hex keys, 66 specialty bits, and 7 accessories. The variety ensures you are prepared for nearly any automotive or mechanical task. For users who want to avoid multiple trips to the store or scattered tools, the completeness of this set simplifies maintenance and repair projects significantly. Reason number 2. Low-profile ratchet design. The included ratchets feature a head up to 25% thinner than standard designs, paired with a 72-tooth mechanism that allows a 5-degree arc swing. This precision enables access in tight or awkward spaces, reducing frustration and improving workflow in engine bays, confined components, or under dashboards. Reason number 3. Organized Versastack storage. The 3-drawer Versastack box provides both portability and organization. Each drawer locks with a spring-loaded dial that allows one-handed operation. Drawers can be nested atop one another for temporary storage or expanded when working on a project, making setup and cleanup efficient and predictable. For anyone who values neat, accessible tools, this is a meaningful design improvement. Reason number 4. Durability and build confidence. Craftsman tools are widely regarded for their longevity, and this set is no exception. The hand tools, ratchets, and sockets are constructed for repeated, rigorous use, backed by a full lifetime warranty. Over time, this combination of durability and warranty reduces cost of ownership and instills confidence in long-term reliability. Reason number 5. SAE and metric versatility. Having both SAE and metric measurements in one set eliminates the need for separate kits. From automotive repairs in American vehicles to imported cars and motorcycles, the kit adapts seamlessly. This practical duality ensures you can tackle a wide range of tasks without hesitation. Reason number 6. Specialty bits and practical accessories. The 66 specialty bits, spark plug sockets, and other accessories add real-world utility. Whether handling less common fasteners or automotive-specific components, the kit ensures the right tool is available for the job. This breadth reduces downtime and eliminates the frustration of improvising with suboptimal tools. Reason number 7. Trusted ownership experience. Craftsman's reputation for quality is reinforced here, and the set's thoughtful layout, functional design, and lifetime support are why it is trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers. It caters to both professionals and serious hobbyists who need consistent, reliable performance, making it a standout choice in a crowded tool market. Final verdict. The Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set is not intended for ultra-heavy industrial use or extremely specialized applications, but for home garages, small shops, or hobbyist workshops. It delivers exceptional organization, comprehensive coverage, and enduring reliability. Its Versastack system, durable construction, and carefully considered selection of tools make it ideal for those seeking a single, high-quality kit that grows with their mechanical needs. If you want a professional-grade, versatile, and trustworthy mechanics toolkit, This set is a thoughtful, long-term investment. Evaluate your workspace and project requirements, and then choose with confidence.